One, I'm going for Lakmé Fashion Week and I'm going to be wearing my own traditional wear. Starting off with this skirt, which is called Numay Sai Pikuk. Taking the other part of the skirt, this one is called Pasal Sai Pikuk. These golden prints that you see in the front and on the back are an illustration of Kuki Traditional way of life. On the back side of the blazer, we can see hornbill and mithun hat, which is both traditional animals and birds for the Kukis. We're going to be pairing this look with Kichong. Next, I'm going to be pairing with this book. For the last, I'm going to be adding this bag, which is called pipette. This is basically a handbag in the olden days, where farmers or where the people who work in the field carry their lunches or anything that requires a small item to fit in this bag. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you all like as much as I do. And this whole look is designed by Nina by Mangsi.
Tin vật tin hông ve vin ngang si a khô nghe u sa pa sa nông ve vin na va tin sang hông ve vin tin vật tin hông ve vin ngang si a khô